Hey everybody, Jason from Java PC here. Today we're going to be replacing the screen on a HP 15-DW0050OD. This has got a bad screen on it, and we're just going to do a quick video on how to replace the screen. So first we're going to do is try to get the bezel off. The bezel on these is pretty tiny, so be very careful when you're doing this. We shouldn't have to take the computer apart, but they do recommend undoing the battery and releasing all the power. So we're just going to be real slow and real gentle and just work our way around the bezel. This is a really thin bezel, especially on the sides, so be very careful not to break the bezel. I like using my fingers because I can judge the tension on the plastic. There's a little bit of glue on this side, adhesive I should say, and snaps. We're going to get all the top and bottom first, and then we're going to go around to the, top and sides first, and then we're going to go around to the bottom. The bottom's probably where the most of the adhesive is going to be, so we have to go really slow. Be careful when you're around the camera at the top, you don't want to break any wires. Okay, so top's done. Just gonna go real slow around the bottom. So just take your time, get off all that adhesive. Okay, there's the bezel. You're gonna remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, actually those 2 on this one. So we'll take a look. There's usually 4 screws. Looks like we got some adhesive pull tabs. Alright, one is down. The other adhesive pull tab is right here. And it makes it so nice when they have adhesive pull tabs. Not all of them do this. Just pry a little bit while you're pulling the tension off. And there we go. Both pull tabs are off now. And we should be able to lay the screen down. Okay. Now we're going to release 30 pin. Being careful not to break any of the wires. We're going to pull back the tape gently here. And slowly, just take your time. This is kind of a critical component, so you don't want to break this part. There you go. And that screen is out. Alright, here's our replacement screen. This is our replacement screen here. So So we're just going to lay this down like we did before so we can plug in the 30 pin. This is the time you want to make sure that everything fits in correctly. Compare the screen sizes. And you can retape that. We're going to apply some double-sided adhesive since we removed the adhesive from the previous build. You don't need to add a lot. Go ahead and press that glue into place. Insert your 2 screws back in. Remove your filament. Protect the cover. And put your bezel back on. If you're pressing behind in the middle, make sure you support it from the back. These screens are very delicate. Look. There we go. That is a repair on an HP 15-DW0050OD. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.